What's wrong? Huh, Shelby? I thought you liked this part. Mom's playing with Shelby. Oh, you snuck past her! How did you do that? She's gonna get you.
I like how she pretends like she's
like,
gonna sit
whoa.
still, too.
Whoa.
Oh, you're gonna let me do it?
She's like, alright, enough running around.
She'll do it, too. I'll get you. Oh, he's coming your way!
What?
She looks so sad.
I know. What, are you playing with Mom? Are you toying with her?
Shelby, can we put this on now? Can we put it on?
I'm gonna protect you. Get her.
I'm gonna put it on, okay? Go put it on. Ready? Oh, look at it.
She's like, hey.
How easy this is. Look, hey, one foot. And a foot. And okay, just wait right there.
Okay, stay right there.
Don't move, okay?
We were actually kidding. You can move.
Shall we? You wanna go hike, hike? Come on, let's go hike, hike!
Oakley, are you frozen too? Oh yeah, there she goes.
That's how you know she's really a cat. Crooked walk. Okay.
So did anybody else's husky do that? I'm sure a lot of them do. It's a game. What?
Ready? Ready? Memphis is really good at ducking though.
And hiding.
Uh-huh. She's like, no, duck this way. Nah. I know, if I go that way now, you're gonna go under the table.
Yep. She's like, I already see my other way out. What do you... Really?
What? I put this on? Tell me. Tell me.
Let her put it on. It ain't gonna hurt you.
Come here. Come here, gotcha. Oh, we gotcha.
Gotta put your harness on.
Ready? Ready?
And whoop. Almost.
Yeah. And one foot here. And one foot here. And then like this. And it's on. Okay, just stay right there.
Are you gonna just stay there too? Can you both just stay right here? Hey, Shelby, you're supposed to be frozen.
So I was like, no, I've had mine on long enough. The power.
Oh.
No, like,
I can follow. Yep, I can follow.
Crooked walk. You guys are crooked walk.
Alright.
Honey, you're gonna stay here with your dad. I'm gonna take these two sledding, but look, don't let them see.
Shh.
You get one of these.
Ooh. Don't tell everybody.
Not for you.
You better hide that.
Not for you.
Alright. I gotta kick you guys out the door.
Okay, we're going sledding.
Awesome. Cause it's beautiful and snowy out. Look, we actually, whoa. We actually have icicles. We haven't had icicles all year.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Wow, can you smell that? Look at that. Yeah, I'm sure you can smell it. Well, take it nice. Here, I'll let you have it. There. Since everybody's gone sledding, you get one of the big treats. Ooh, and they're salmon. They're smelly. Alright. Maybe we'll take you outside and play with you if you got some spunk. But we're gonna wait for the girls to get back. Bye.
Oh my gosh. Do I have a story to tell you guys? I'll probably tell you when I get off the sled. For now, we're just going to enjoy this. We finally found a trail to go on. That's all we wanted. It took us an hour and a half to find a good spot, but we found one. So on an up note, we're not that far from the trail we were on yesterday, and this trail is far less icy. So that's a good thing. The girls are getting way better traction today. Oh, that's a hole. Somebody drove down there. Oh, they cut all the trees right here. That means the wind can get us now. Okay, so hey, I thought you guys were gonna slow down so I could tell the story. Well, I guess we'll go a little ways this way. I'm still gonna tell the story. So I got the sled all set up and I lost the Jeep key in the snow. So I had to call Jamie and tell him I lost the Jeep key. I looked for it for a little bit. He told me to just go ahead and take him for a run, not to worry about it. And he's gonna head out here and help me find the key to the Jeep. Cause I lost the Jeep key, guys. And you can kind of see how deep the snow is here. It's pretty deep. So that's a thing. I hope we find it, at least. But hey, at least we're out here.
Alright, so say that again.
You really want me to say that again?
Yeah. Well, I didn't have you. I couldn't hear you. I didn't have it on speakerphone.
I lost the keys to your Jeep. I
Like,
can hear you laughing.
I know, right? I'm sorry.
They're
Well,
not in the Jeep, and I'm pretty sure they're in the snow.
I was just say, yeah, that's the downside. Is if you dropped them, they're probably in snow. So, and you checked your pockets, and you checked in the Jeep, and you checked in the back of the Jeep where the dogs are, and
Yeah.
obviously
Multiple
check it.
times. I emptied my pockets multiple times.
All right, well, I guess I'll grab my key and I'll head out to where you're at. Luckily, you're not that far away, so.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, I guess I'm gonna come pick you up.
Okay.
Hopefully we find the key.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
There's Daddy. Go get him. Who's here? Is that Daddy? Go get him. Go, 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 go. Daddy came out here to save us. He did. He came out here to save us. These girls are like, this is a exhausting run. Did you find the key? Yay! We can go home! What? I can't hear you. He says it wouldn't be that hard to find. Well, I couldn't find it. Yes, I was very frustrated. Go get him, tell me who's here! Go see Daddy! Whoa! That snow smells amazing, apparently. Hey, I'm by.
Yeah, I thought you.
Good. That made me upset.
That's alright.
It frustrated my whole...
Yeah, at least you're not far away.
Yeah, that was kind of what I said. I'm like, well... No, it's not that cold right here, and it is very pretty out. Oh my goodness. Jamie found the key, which means we can drive again. I better help him load them up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you. Always something.
Always.
Oh, is there much in the snow? Is it good stuff? Good stuff. Oh, Miss Memphis, that was crazy, wasn't it? Yeah, so I got here. I couldn't get the sled. I couldn't get the nuts off the sled because I haven't bought the wing nuts yet. So I couldn't get the nuts off the sled, and then I somehow, between getting out of the Jeep and going to the back of the Jeep, I dropped the key in the snow. What an experience, I tell you what. I couldn't find a place to take the dog sledding because it's the weekend and there's snowmobiles everywhere. And so I think by the time I got here, I was frustrated. It's getting dark. It's 6 o'clock. I'm like, I'm not gonna be able to take them, and I want to take Shelby before she has their stitches on Monday. And then, wow, I don't get flustered and frustrated easily, but holy man, that did it. Losing the key is what did it. When I lost the key, I'm like, that's it. I quit. I'm done. I called Jamie and I was crying. I'm like, okay, I can't get the sled set up. I lost your key. I don't know what to do. And he's like, I'm coming. So I tried to do this by myself, but thankfully Jamie came and saved me. But now I'm going back home. That's holy cow. It was fun though. The girls had a really good run. You guys had a really good run, didn't you? They're like, yeah, we're exhausted now. We're exhausted. You guys had, yeah, you can come up in the front seat. They had a really good run. That was a really good trail. And actually the trail we normally run is just up the road, a little ways down, but this trail actually wasn't all ice, which was really nice. So I'll probably actually come back here again tomorrow with them since Shelby has surgery the next day. So we'll get at least one more good run in, at least Shelby will. Might bring Oakley tomorrow as well, because like I said, this is actually a really nice trail, so it might happen. I don't know, we'll see. I do have a lot of stuff to do tomorrow, but we'll see. Let's see. We gotta get them runs in while we can before all this snow melts again. Oh, I know. Oh, you want petted? She's like, oh, just pet me. Okay, I better go before Jamie wonders where I am now. Well, I know. You guys sit down, honey. Oh my God, Jamie, who's here? Well, who's here? Oakley's getting water. Who's here? Oh my goodness!
You should see Matt outside. Oh, it's Matt! It's Matt!
gosh. Oh, you guys are insane. You're all insane, every one of you. You're all crazy, every one of you.
All I did was carry some.
You're all crazy. Hi, Matt.
Oh, hi.
Oh my goodness.
Shelby's like, I'm going to you.
Oh, she's like, I haven't seen you in like 2 weeks.
Are you gonna make it? Are you gonna make it?
Apparently, she's not as tired as I thought.
Yeah. It was funny, they were both laying down.
Oh, hugs from Shelby.
Couch to sit with me. They're like, no, we're too tired.
Now she's like, oh yeah, Greg too. Greg too. There's Greg. There's
He
Greg.
knows how to do it.
You guys are crazy. You're all crazy. What are you doing on the couch? What are you doing? Huh? You're trying to do couch zoomies on the couch? Are you trying to do couch zoomies? She's like, well, I was trying. It's a little bit taller than the other couch. Makes it a little bit harder for you to jump down. But you can do it. I've seen you do it. You can do it. You want me to help you? Hi. Do you want me to pick you up and set you down? She's like, no. I could do this. Are you sure? What? You want to go outside? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna let them outside. If you wanna go, you gotta get down off the couch, or I can pick you up and help you. I'm gonna. We gotta see if Oakley's gonna get off the couch. I know. We're letting you outside. Come on, honey. You can do it. I can pick you up if you want. You're all right. You can do it. It's such a good jump. That's pretty good. All right, let's go outside. So the reason everybody's here is because it's actually game night. So we're gonna go downstairs and play some games. Okay, so since we never really show what goes on at game night, maybe it's because we think we're geeky or something. I don't know.
We played cards tonight.
We're playing cards tonight. We're playing.
Says exploding kittens.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're playing Magic the Gathering. There's only 4 of us here tonight, so we're actually playing Magic the Gathering.
Well, I'm the only one sporting the icon.
Yeah, you are.
Oh,
you
yeah.
don't
Everybody
have
else
the cool.
has theirs covered
You don't
with
have the
little
cool-
pretty
yeah,
little
show me-
things.
show me the
Angel swords.
The backs of your cards.
Angel boobs.
The backs of Greg's cards are just green. Mine are really cool, so you check them out. Anyway, this is what we're playing. And who's winning? Oh, I don't know. I mean, I do have
That's why
42
I'm on
life
the
over
blog.
here.
Yeah, that's why.
That's
Forty.
exactly.
Because I'm winning.
We'll see how this game turns out.
All right. Well, yeah, Greg's not winning.
I have 17.
That's still not winning.
Maybe.
Maybe.
No.
We'll let you know at the end. I was right. I won. They knew I was gonna win though. Look at Matt almost won, but look at
Came in
all of my
second.
look at all my creatures. These are creatures, them are creatures, and then I got all these cool cards that are like +1, +1, +0, +2. Yep.
Hey, look at mine.
Look at
They're,
look,
they're dead.
look at his
look, yeah,
They're all
dead.
dead.
They're
And this
dead.
was his problem right there.
Yep. You only had 2 manas.
Yep.
He did
That
good,
got me
though.
in second place.
It did.
It did.
It did.
Yep.
And you won the first round,
killed
so I
Greg's
mean,
decks.
you did pretty
You
good.
did, yes.
Yeah, you won the first round. So.
Greg's new YouTube channel. I build decks.
Right? What are you playing?
I think it's red. Here, hold on.
Ugh. Is it a red deck?
It's a little red. I should have done it the other way so you could have seen them all.
Right. I think I'm gonna play this one again. No, I don't know. I might play my blue and white. We'll
This one
see.
seems universal for multi people.
Right. What are you napping? You look like you just woke up. What's with the face? What's it? That's the I just woke up face. Everybody's leaving, Shelby. Everybody's leaving. We're gonna go ahead and call it a night after this weird, crazy day. You know, I guess it could have been worse. Definitely could have been worse. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. Call it a day, whatever it was. Things definitely could have been worse. At least everything worked out. Everybody has those frustrating days once in a while, right? Those frustrating days. We had one of those today. Alright, you guys. As always, if you are new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always, Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Good night, audience. Hi, beautiful. Want to kiss the camera? Aw, thanks for the good night kisses. Good night, audience.